Hi, did you ever wonder about the difference between science, philosophy, religion, and spirituality? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Paola Ranova, and today we're going to talk about the difference between science, philosophy, religion, and spirituality. So science is very much about facts, proven facts. It follows processes, it measures results, it needs deep research, it needs a consensus of many brains understanding that process to reach some sort of temporary conclusion until it evolves into another conclusion or confirms what has been set in the past. It's very much about the how things work and how we can prove things work. In science, we can have today two specific approaches. Materialistic science, which explains how matter functions, our bodies, anything in nature, the world in the material, physical sense. And we can have the energetic science, which is becoming more and more acknowledged and respected, which talks about some of the root causes of the why things happen in a certain way, but still talking about processes. So I do believe that science can expand into the energetic research to see how things work, to measure results, and to state temporary conclusions when it comes to creating specific models and understanding specific structures of how things work. But science is very much about the how in the world. When it comes to philosophy, religion, and spirituality, we're more in the existential realm of the invisible forces of the soul. Yes, science does contemplate invisible existences as well, not really grasped by the physical senses. But what I'm talking about when I mention philosophy, religion, and spirituality is the why things happen, the purpose of existence, why we're here. It's that transcendence. Philosophy uses the brain, the rational mind, to explain why we're here, to give purpose and meaning to life. It's beautiful. It does include the emotions. It does include other subtle aspects of the human psyche, but it uses rational thinking and rationality as the point of arrival. So the conscious mind is enough for philosophy. When it comes to spirituality and religion, we need to transcend the rational mind. So the rational mind develops itself to a point in which the unfathomable needs to be in the picture. So spirituality and religion are about surrender. And the difference is that religion is a structured set of beliefs that allow spirituality to flourish. But different people in different groups and different cultures need specific beliefs, specific structure and sets of beliefs and practices and meaning and sacred scriptures, if you will, to make sense of life, and that's beautiful and should be respected. Spirituality, on the other hand, doesn't necessarily need a set of belief systems. It's about knowing, connecting to yourself in a higher purpose. It could have some practices, but it doesn't necessarily need an institution. And this is each person's free will to adhere to. Maybe you need a group of people, maybe it's a meditation group, maybe you don't. Maybe you need scriptures, wisdom from specific sources, maybe you don't. We do always need some sort of guidance in books or from masters or from groups, but the difference is the belief aspect. We need to believe to engage in spirituality and religion. We don't necessarily need to believe with our subjective world because we believe facts and what's been proven in science, and we believe a specific set of explanations when it's philosophy. But science and philosophy don't require spiritual transcendence, as opposed to spirituality and religion, which require that surrendering that goes beyond rational thinking. So I hope this was clear and food for thought for you. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Make sure that you follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and that you come to our website to see all the awesomeness that awaits you there. So I will see you soon, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.